how you can generate SEO optimized content with the help of extension. So today in this video we're gonna see an extension which is very powerful. It has around 3000 plus plugins which you can use to create any kind of content. Okay, so first you need to go to Google and search AIPRM ChatGPT. Okay, for ChatGPT, once you search this you will get the first option as AIPRM. Just click on that. Okay, and it has multiple features and 3000 plus plugins. Okay, so you can see here it can generate an SEO based content with the help of prompt. Okay, and also you can generate SSA based content with the help of ChatGPT as well. Okay, so it's a very powerful extensions, or you can say it's a very powerful tool for you to generate high quality content or optimized content. Okay, for generating quality content you have to sign in your account. Okay, you have to create your account first in AIPRM and then you can generate all kind of content. Okay, just click on add to Chrome. Okay, and add this extension on your system. Once you add this extension you have to register your account. Okay, if you are a new user you have to sign in your account. So here you will get an option connect with OpenAI. Okay, AIPRM account, and just click on that and create your Google account. Okay, sign in with your account and you will be on to your account. Fine. Next, here you can generate high quality content. Okay, with the help of this extension. It's 100% unique content you can generate from here. Okay, so you can see here it has multiple plugins, like it has 3246 prompt. You can see human written content also you can generate, mid-journey prompt generation. Okay, these are the plugins which you can take the use of to generate your content. Okay, you can generate fully SEO optimized content, rank your video, rank your content. You can generate YouTube content as well. Fine. So it's a very powerful tool for all kind of creator or developer or programmer. So here you can select multiple languages as well. Okay, if you want to generate your content in different language you can select from here. So first I'll try to generate in English. Fine, so I'll set it as default, and here we can select as tone, and writing style you can select. So I'm just gonna leave this as default. Write a latest article on YouTube live. Fine, so you can see here it has started generating that article for me, and with the help of this tool it will generate an unique article. Okay, it will be not copied, it will be different for all different users. Fine, and it has generated article for me. Okay, so great. It's a very useful for all kind of programmer, developer, content creator. Fine, so next what we can see, you can change the language as well. Okay, you can select any language and you can generate any kind of content with the help of prompt. So the main thing you can do is you can change the language. I'll select as Hindi. Okay, and I'll give a prompt, write article on Twitter. Okay, so as I have selected Hindi, so it has started generating text for me in Hindi. Fine, and it's completely a pure Hindi. So in this way you can generate all kind of content in different languages. Fine, so I'll stop this, and these are the plugins. According to your choice you can change your plugins. If you love to create any kind of post, okay, whether it is related to Instagram, you can generate from here. You can see here SEO optimized content for e-commerce, social media post. Fine, it has more than 3000 plus plugins which you can take the use of to generate any high quality content or SEO based content for you. So I just love this tool. So if you find this video helpful, hit on the like button, and if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any query, comment down below. See you in the next video.